Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome to our class. I think all are fine. Okay, I am also fine. Let us start our class. Okay, can you say what we learned in the previous class? Anybody can say? Can you remember what we learned in the previous class or last class? Say, try to say. Yes, bigger and biggest. Okay, then one more, small, smaller and smallest. Okay, did you write all the work in your notebook? Good, very good. Then today we are going to study ascending order and descending order. Now we are going to study ascending order and descending order. Then at first we want to study ascending order. Okay. Did you heard about this word ascending order? Say the spelling ascending. Ascending order the spelling. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending order. All of you write 5 times ascending order and descending order in your notebook. Okay. And study the spelling. Okay. Yes. Then what is ascending order? നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ നമ്പർ എഴുതാറില്ലേ, കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാറില്ലേ? എങ്ങനെ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. അല്ലേ? ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ 1 is the smallest number. We know that. Okay. Then next number 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. This order is called ascending order. Okay. Then for example listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ascending order means going up. മുകളിലേക്ക് അല്ലേ, എന്നാൽ സ്മോൾ നമ്പർ ടു ബിഗ് നമ്പർ. ascending order means going up and descending order means coming down. Smallest number to biggest. This is called ascending order. Okay, ഏറ്റവും ഫസ്റ്റ് ഏത് എഴുതുക? സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ എഴുതും. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് അതിലും വലുത്, നെക്സ്റ്റ് അങ്ങനെ ബിഗ്ഗസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് പോകും. 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. This order is called ascending order. Okay, then you write in your notebook, then write first heading ascending order, then after the class you must write this note in your notebook. First you write ascending order. Okay, ascending order heading എഴുതുക. എന്നിട്ട് എന്ത് എഴുതണം? നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിലുണ്ട് when numbers are arranged from the smallest number to the biggest. Okay, are called ascending order. Okay. Say once again, when numbers are arranged from the smallest number to biggest. ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ നമ്പറിൽ നിന്ന് മുകളിലേക്ക് എഴുതി പോകുന്നു, അതിനാണെന്ന് പറയുക അസെൻഡിങ് ഓർഡർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, Then all of you take your textbook, page number 93. Page number 93. ഇവിടെ heading ഒക്കെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, ascending order and descending order. All of you write this in your notebook. First you write heading, ascending and descending order. Then write the definition. When numbers are, first you എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, ascending order എന്നൊരു heading കൊടുക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് when numbers are arranged in from the smallest number to biggest, they are called ascending order. Okay, ഇതേപോലെ എഴുതുക കേട്ടോ. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next one, descending order. First we learn ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Then next one, descending order. This is the just opposite of ascending order. Okay. Descending order means when numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest. These are called descending order. Okay. Then for example, can you see? Then first number 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. This coming down. Coming down. This is called descending order. When we write biggest number first, then biggest number to smallest. Okay, do you understand what is the difference? Ascending and descending order. First one is ascending order, that means ascending means small number to big number. Okay, going up. Then descending order means big number to small number, coming down. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Then all of you write this note in your notebook. Don't write this picture. Okay. Then next, there are some questions. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. First one, numbers 5, 3, 7, 2 and 1. We want to arrange this number into ascending order. What is the meaning ascending order? All of you say, do you understand what is ascending order? Yes, small number to big number. Then we want to find which is the smallest number from the given numbers 5, 3, 7, 2 and 1. Which is the smallest one? Yes, very good. First one is 1. 1 is the smallest number. Then next one, which is the next number? 5, 3, 7 or 2. Which is the smallest one? Yes, 2. Then next, yes, 3. Then which one is? After 3, 5 or 7? Yes, 5. The last one, the biggest number, 7. Okay, do you understand? Okay. Then another question, 4, 8, 1, 9 and 2. Here also we want to arrange these numbers into ascending order. Say once again, what is ascending order? Ascending order means small number to big number. Then which is the smallest number? Yes, first number is 1. Then next, say 4, 8, 9 or 2. Yes, 2. Then next, yes, 4, then 8 and 9. Okay. Then write here. Arrange the number into ascending order. Okay, over. Then next question, arrange the numbers into descending order. Next we want to arrange the given number into descending order. Writing over? Okay. First question, 4, 9, 6, 3 and 7. You want to arrange this number into descending order. Okay. So what is descending order? Descending order means? All of you say? Yes. Bigger number to? Yes. Yes, what is descending order? Biggest number to smallest number. Then we want to find which is the biggest number. What is the biggest number? Which one is the biggest number? 4, 9, 6, 3 and 7. Which is the biggest one? 7 ano? No. Which is the biggest one? Yes, 9. 9 is the biggest. Then write 9 first. Okay, then next one. Which number comes after 9? Yes, 7. Then 9, 7. Then 4, 6 and 3. Which is the biggest? Yes, 6. Then 4. Then 3 is the smallest. That is biggest number to smallest. Do you understand? Yes. Then one more question. 8, 1, 2, 7 and 5. You want to arrange this number into descending order. Biggest number to smallest number. Say which is the biggest number? 8, 1, 3, 7 and 5. Which is the biggest one? Yes, very good. 8 is the biggest one. Okay. Then next 1, 2, 7, 5. Yes, 7. Then next one? Yes, 5. Then 1 and 2. Which is the biggest? 2. Then 1 is the smallest number. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. This is descending order. Then all of you write these 2 questions in your notebook and study well. Okay, do you understand ascending and descending order? Yes. Then next page, we want to do one exercise. Page number 94. All of you take page number 94. It is summer time and the plants are thirsty. We know that. During summer time, all the plants are become very thirsty. So, help the gardener reach the plant and water them by filling the number that comes before, after and in between. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിലല്ല പ്രീവിയസ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിച്ചതാണ് ബിഫോർ നമ്പർ, ആഫ്റ്റർ നമ്പർ ആൻഡ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ നമ്പർ. വി വാണ്ട് ടു ഹെൽപ്പ് ദിസ് ഗാർഡനർ to reach the gardener to this plant by filling this before, after and between number. Okay. Then first before number. Which number comes before 9? Before number ആണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്. Which number comes before 9? Yes, very good. Before 9 is 8. Okay, then write 8 here. Then next number 7. Which number comes before 7? Before 7 is? Yes, 6. Okay, very good. You write? Okay. Then next in between. In between 2 and 4. Which number comes in between 2 and 4? Can you say? In between 2 and 4, which number comes? Yes, 3. Then next, after number. After 3, which number comes after 3? Yes, 4. Then one more question. After 6. After 6, which number comes after 6? 7. Okay. Do you finish? Okay. Then another question. Seema had 7 crayons. Her friend Reema had 2. Who has more? You want to compare this question. Compare using less than or greater than. ആർക്കാണ് കൂടുതലുള്ളതെന്ന് അറിയേണ്ടേ അല്ലേ? Seema had 7 crayon and Reema had 2. Then compare the given crayons. Which one is more? Then all of you try to say which symbol we can use here. First, Seema had 7 crayon. അല്ലേ? Seemയുടെ കയ്യിൽ എത്ര ക്രയോൺ ഉണ്ട്? There are 7 crayons. Then Reema, how many crayons had Reema? Only 2. Then we want to put the symbol. Which symbol or sign? Which sign we can use here? 7 and 2. Which is more, 7 or 2? Yes, 7 is more. So we can use greater than symbol. 7 is the greatest number. When we compare 7 and 2, 7 is the greatest number. So we can use the greater than symbol here. Okay. Okay, students. Now we are going to wind up our class. Then just to say what we learned today. Yes, today we learned first ascending order and descending order. Okay, say what is ascending order? Ascending order means small number to big number. Okay, then what is descending order? Descending order means big number to small number. Did you understand well? Then all of you write in your notebook. Then practice this exercise also. Okay. Then let us see next class. Thank you.